The games industry was almost like being an astronaut, where you think, I want to do this as a kid. This will be so much fun. And then you grow up and you realize, oh no, that's not going to happen because I need to be at like some prodigy level in order to get into there. And that's really what I always thought. Talking to people in this industry was the best thing that I did because it really just eases your mind and says, okay, this is something that I can do. I just got to put the work in. Think of all the stupid questions you can just ask these people and they'll answer it honestly. You know, they're not all like super smart wizards. Like, you can talk to them, you can approach them. It's really important to learn C++. Even if you're never going to use it again, learn it because it's that kind of core foundational language. You know how to problem solve, you know the lowest level of code, you know, barring assembly. And if you're really good at C++, then you'll impress people. And that's always a good thing. I was really worried about programming tests. Pretty much rightly so. They're really hard. One programming test that I just totally failed. So when we went through it, I knew exactly what mistakes I'd made, but I'd already made them. You know, use your time management wisely, but don't rush through anything because it's better to have a good, complete answer. You don't want to be the stereotypical programmer that is great at coding but can't communicate. So working in retail was actually a super useful thing for me because games are all about communication, right? And you got to be able to work within the team. You've got to be able to tell the artist, you know, we need this, this, and this because of code things. And you got to put it in a way that they understand, having never done code before. It was one of those things that, like, your parents will always say, oh yeah, you know, if you get a corner shop job, then it will set you up for anything. And you go, oh yeah, whatever. And then you actually do it and you're like, this is the best thing I ever did. So, thank you, parents.